Alright guys, welcome back to the blog. You know, your favorite ugly ass YouTuber, ya tú sabes. And as you can tell by the interior, yes, I am an Integra, and yes, I'm getting fatter. And right now we're gonna go to a car meet. I just came up to pick up the compa Christian, and we're gonna meet up Hector in the location. And I hope y'all guys like the video. Alright guys, look who we got.
What's up? What's up, yo?
There we go.
What up? We're back in another video.
So right now we're gonna pull up to the location. Hector's already there waiting for us. So see us guys right. Oh, focus. See you guys right there. Eres culero. Ya la cagas. How you doing, papi? Hi, papi. Hit it one time for the boys, papi.
¡Súbele más, pues, güey!
No jodas, cabrón. Ya está cuache. Intento que, güey, 3. Intento 3. No puedes parquear.
Hey, Hector.
Alright guys, day 2. The meet yesterday didn't last that long and people were being kind of stupid, so the police came too fast and I didn't have enough to record. So hopefully this car meet that's today is sponsored by Team Savage, our homeboys. And here comes, yeah, to pick him up again. Hey, wait.
That's all right.
I got AC.
That's todo, güey.
About time.
Hot.
So we're finna go. Can't even. Man. Let's play.
Head northeast on Bissonnet Street toward Morris Drive, then turn left on Morris Drive.
Alright guys, I hope you like this cinematic. It started raining real hard and everybody's pulling out already. This might be a short vlog and I hope y'all liked it. But right now we just trying to get home before this weather gets even worse, right Christian?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And as you can see, with no traction, it's probably gonna be a bitch. So that's it for the vlog today. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe.